Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make photo JPG format in iPhone. Open the Photos app and select the image you want to convert, then tap Share and choose Save to Files to create a JPEG copy. If your image came from another app, duplicate it first and use an app export setting to pick JPEG. I will also show a shortcut method and quick troubleshooting tips so you can finish conversions fast and confidently. I will show how to make photo JPG format in iPhone. Open the Shortcuts app and create a new shortcut that accepts photos, then add Convert Image and set quality and format to JPEG. Add Save File or Save to Photo Album to store results, and enable Show When Run if you want prompts. You can run this from the Share Sheet or Shortcuts widget, making batch conversions simple and repeatable for all your images. I will show how to make photo JPG format in iPhone. Quick recommendation: if you're spending time in your car between shoots or errands, grab a little Trees black ice to keep things smelling great. It pairs nicely with cleaning camera gear in the passenger seat. If you like this tip and the guide, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I will show how to make photo JPG format in iPhone. Install a reputable image converter app, open your photo inside the app, then choose Export or Save As and select JPEG as the format. Adjust quality or resolution if you need smaller files, then export to Photos or Files. Many apps include batch processing and automatic naming, which helps when converting dozens of images for email, web upload, or client delivery without losing quality.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.